What's up, everybody? We appreciate you hanging out with us. I wanted to bring you along today. I had to install a septic riser lid. This is the house that we were living in. I've got video of the house that we're moving into. I haven't shot a lot recently because it's just been crazy busy. We've been trying to get stuff done and moved in before Christmas, but I do plan on getting an updated video out really soon. So this was one of the requests from the new buyer at our previous house, and to basically just get a serviceable lid on the septic tank for future pump out and that type of thing. But they were allowing us to basically do it ourselves and then have our plumber inspect it. So it wasn't too bad. If you check out the video, I think this is a really good kit for the money. This kit I think it ended up running right at $220. Now I ordered it through Home Depot. But I believe you can get this kit on Amazon as well, so I'll drop a link in the description down below if you want to go pick one of these up. As far as the size of the tank opening, I'm pretty sure this is just a universal fit. But as far as the height and what you need to rise it up out of the ground to get to the lid, you'll have to select a different kit if that's the case. But I'll at least include a link to this one. This is a 7-inch high riser kit. So it's a really good system. I think if you could tell in the video, it pretty much comes with everything you need to install it other than your tools. So I basically had to get out a hammer drill and an impact, and that was about it. It comes with a butyl rope inside. You put that on the bottom of the 4-piece flange that you saw me put together. That pretty much snaps together, and then you butyl it. Then you'll Tapcon it to the top of the septic lid, and then the riser portion gets butyled on and rises up pretty much the same. So it's a really easy system. I really didn't know how difficult this kit was going to be to put together, but it was as easy as it gets. It came with instructions. It was very well laid out. So I highly recommend them. Again, the company's called Aerostream that I got this through, but I did order it from Home Depot. So like I said, if you want to do that, or if you want to check out the link down below, I'll drop a link. But we appreciate you hanging out with us on this video. Hopefully you learned something. I learned something. And we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care and have a good day.